On behalf of ExpertVillage, here at Jean Paris, this is Gloria Van Workum, and I'm going to explain to Rebecca here how to reorder. She's from out of state, and she said she'd like to get another wig. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take her through the steps of ordering. I have a catalog that I will give her, and it has our 800 number on it. So all she'll have to do is call and tell me that she wants to purchase a wig, and she'll tell me the name of the wig, which is the Juliet, and the color that she has on is the meringue. So what she'll do is she'll just say, I would like to order a Juliet and a meringue, and she will give me her name, her address, and a credit card number so that we can mail it out to her, and she can do that as often as she wants. We're UPS. We mail UPS every day, so there'll be no problem. If she needs to have a rush on it, what we could do is we can send it out next day air, or she can have it second day air, whatever she prefers. We can take her through all the prices of that when you call. And we do have an 800 number, so when you call it, you can just call and just say, I would like to purchase a wig. So we'd be happy to help you with that.